Hello YouTubers, how you guys doing? Today's featured household appliance video shines on one of the smallest Hoover vacuums ever to be made. The Hoover Quik Broom bagless cyclonic stick vacuum. Now, this thing is one of Hoover's most compact vacuum cleaners made. It's made for cleaning up messes in your kitchen. It's amazing. And I believe this one is actually the latest Quik Broom ever made, at least that I remember. This is the newest one I've ever seen. But anyway, like I said, your cyclonic action's right here, and here's its easy dust cup. Some dirt just spins around in this container. That's what it means by cyclonic action. And here's a small onboard hose in the back. I really want you to pardon that train horn that you hear in the background. But anyway, here's its hose. Oops. I'll just set it down right here. Anyway, here's its hose, a small crevice tool for increased suction. And here's the part where the hose goes in. And here's its cleaning head. As you see right here, there's these brushes that can flip in and push this and flip out and lock it in place. It's commonly for where you can clean low pile area rugs as well. Anyway, the only thing is it's missing the wheel here, but that's nothing. That's not too bad. It doesn't affect the performance of this thing. It performs amazing. Anyway, okay. I'll go ahead and show it to you in action here, if I can. Anyway, let's go and power it up here. Here's what I mean by it's kind of hard to see, but some of the dirt spins around the dust cup. Also, the head swivels around. Shut it down real fast. I'll go ahead and show you its onboard hose attachment. Let me just hold that off. And hook it into the little suction port right here. I know what to do. Let me set the camera down and show it to you how it hooks up. Right there. Now it's all ready. Now all you do is just power it up. Put the hose back on. Alright. Well, guys, hope you all enjoyed the video of this Hoover Quik Broom bagless cyclonic stick vac. Be sure to stay tuned. There'll be a lot more where that came from. Also, rate, post, comment, and like. Take care, everybody.